minus 5 on 1/14.
So why use take away again whenever you use divide or multiply?
Because the question I'm giving it to do first is what that is how they put it.
What?
The first question I'm giving, that is how they put it, miss. That's how they put it. I soon get to that type of question. You just do what you are told to do.
Mr. Buchan,
Everybody try the question now quickly. Let's see what you have done. That's the first one. I'm trying to reply, Kashif. Uh, you're not in the meeting. Okay. Oh, oh, sorry, wrong person. Man. All right, Kashif. All right, to the taxi, man. You need to drink some fluid, you hear? Drink some fluid, lot of water. Alright. Gonna come just in time, we just start. Alright. We're gonna go through the first one together in the interest of time. And then everybody else will get one each to do. Alright, let us go. Alright, just do this one. Alright. Julian, you want to tell us what to do first? Just for practice to see if you remember it. Sister Dennis. Alright, Julian is at work, so if she's busy, I'll just take short. Probably she's busy or she's at work. Alright. Okay, Julian, you gonna go?
So you're going to change it into a proper fraction?
Into what? Proper or improper? Which one?
So improper.
Improper. Okay.
Yeah.
How do we change it? The mixed fraction to an improper fraction? How do we tell them how we do it now, please?
So, 7 times 9, which is 63, and add the 3, and put it back over the
Over there?
7.
Okay, so it was 7. So we change the mixed fraction to an improper fraction first. You can do it that way. Some person will just subtract the 5 from the 9, and then the 2 from the answer you get between these two. So 5 from 9 is 4, then 2 from 4 is 2. Some persons have done that. Or you could just change all the mixed fractions to improper fraction. All right, continue now. Continue
So, you
now.
do the next part, the second part. So, 5 times 14, or 14 times 5, plus the one on top, even 71 over 14.
71 over 14. Everybody paying attention and following what's happening here. I'm now going to repeat it. What's the next one?
Sorry, I go work that part first.
No man, just change everything first, then we'll work that part. Then we'll go to the next part.
21 times 2 is 42 plus 5, 47.
Good. All right.
Over 20.
Good. All right. So thanks. No. She asked me now if we're going to work whatever first. She's referring to working out the first two part first, the first two fractions. We work with the first two fractions first. All right. Now, you want to tell them what to do? It's going to take some time still, but.
Sir, I would work out the two first part first.
Yeah, man, we're going to do first part first. Go ahead.
So, we're going to cross multiply.
What she means by cross multiply is this. You multiply the 14 by the 63, the 7 by the 71, and then the 7 by the 14. That's what she means.
Sir, I'm not understanding of this.
What is it that you don't understand?
Start like first thing first. She does 7 times 9 are 63. What a 3 up at top? What should do the next 3?
That means because you weren't listening.
I'm not listening. I don't understand. I do something understand with that.
Kerisha, what did she do the next 3, Kerisha?
Nobody understand no.
Sir, me added to it, so I don't know how which part she do the 3.
Yeah, she added to it. That's what she did.
Sir, 9 times 7 is 63. So one to the 3, what she's supposed to plus the 63 with.
No, man.
Sir, put 63. It's supposed to be 60.
I mean, you right
It's supposed to be 66.
Yeah, me right wrong.
Sir, you right wrong because we.
Sir, are you there? So make me get mixed up, sir. Come like a good thing, me never write 63.
Yeah, all right. No, Reagan.
I don't have 63 in my book, sir.
Okay, Reagan. I'm going to tell you this. I'm not going to start over every time now. So make sure your eyes up on the board because you have a habit of hanging off. And your eyes are off the board. So keep your eye up on the board now, please. All right. Now I'm going to repeat myself. Remember time where I work with. So watch this. She says 7. She multiply the D number by the whole number. Then she add whatever answer you get when you multiply these two to 3. So 7, 9, 63 plus 3 is 66. 5 times 14 is 70 plus 1, 71. And the list continues. You get that, sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, all right. There's an easy way to do all of this.
So we'll finish that way first and we'll tell about the easy way. Maybe don't mix me up.
All I have to do is just follow. We're taking our time, so you have to just observe, listen, and look. That's all you have to do. So use the two senses them same time. The more senses you use, let me break right this for a minute. The best learner uses more of them senses. There?
So just cause so we not sense.
No, you didn't born blind, so you can see. You didn't born deaf, so you can hear, and you can touch, you can taste, and you can smell. So don't tell me no foolishness about that. You must use the senses, all right? If you're smart, you use the senses. Let's go. Now, when it, everybody pay attention. Let's mute your mics, please. I cannot compete with the noise. Mute mics, please. Thanks. All right. In some cases, you have to pay attention at all times. The easiest method is to multiply from here to here, here to here, then here to here. But one of the problems is that the numbers them big. So you say if the number them big, first look to see if you can find the lowest common multiple of both of the denominators. All right? Good, but basically it works out to be the same really. So work out to be the same. All right. So I'm gonna do this then. 14 times 66. What is that? We're gonna use a method that she was using. What is 14 times 66? Anybody can tell me?
I'm sorry, 924.
924. And then she says 7, you minus. Then she says 7 times 71. How much is that?
497.
497. Then now 7 times 14 is how much?
98.
98. All right. So we're gonna subtract now the 497 from the 924. How much that? How much is that?
There 427.
427 over 98, right? All right. We could break that down now if you wish, but if you want to go across now, we'll go across. So we'll take the next fraction from that now. And we'll use the same procedure. 21 times the 427, how much is that?